The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, or RSS, is one of India's most influential organizations. Founded in 1925 by Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, the RSS was established with the vision of promoting Hindutva, or Hindu-ness, and fostering unity among Hindus. Born during a time of social and political upheaval, the RSS aimed to instill discipline, cultural pride, and a sense of national identity. Hedgewar believed that a strong, united society was essential for India's progress. Structured around local branches called shakhas, the RSS operates as a volunteer-driven organization. Members engage in physical training, intellectual discussions, and community service, emphasizing values like selflessness and dedication. Over the decades, the RSS has grown into a socio-political force, inspiring numerous affiliated organizations collectively known as the Sangh Parivar. These groups work in diverse fields, from education and healthcare to rural development and disaster relief. While the RSS has played a significant role in shaping India's cultural and social landscape, it has also faced criticism and controversies over its ideological stance. Despite this, its impact on Indian society remains undeniable. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh continues to be a prominent force in India, inspiring millions with its vision of unity and service. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that shape our world.